Enjoy a lifestyle of low maintenance comfort. Welcome to Onkaparinga Heights. Nestled in the serene Onkaparinga Views Estate, this 2021 Metricon-built home is thoughtfully designed for effortless living. The main bedroom features a walk-in robe and a private ensuite, offering a relaxing retreat. At the heart of the home, a split-level open-plan layout connects the dining, kitchen and lounge areas, creating a spacious and inviting hub. Step outside onto the generous deck and flat lawn space, big enough to impress the kids and the dog, or perfect for a sunny afternoon with a cuppa. The low-maintenance garden, filled with native flora, ensures beauty with minimal care. Close to shops, schools, parks, and under 15 minutes from the pristine beaches of Port Noarlunga, 4 Colins Way, Onkaparinga Heights is your ticket to easy living.